Here's how to combine PDF files and organize pages like a pro. To use this feature, you'll need either a free trial or an active Adobe Acrobat subscription. Hover over the Create button at the top of Adobe Acrobat, or click File from the top menu and select Combine Files. You'll see several ways to add PDF files, including Add Open Files, Add a PDF folder, Add PDFs from a scanner connected to your network, or add a web page. You can also drag and drop PDF files directly from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. Before combining the files, review the preview and organize your pages. You can reorder pages, delete unwanted pages, and make other adjustments. Use different viewing options such as Grid View or List View to manage your files more easily. Under More Options, you can check the file size and change the output settings if needed. When you're ready, click Combine As and select Combine Files into a PDF. You can also create a PDF portfolio to view and manage multiple PDFs in one place. For a detailed tutorial on PDF portfolios, check the separate guide linked in the video description and pinned comment. Once the process is complete, you'll see the combined PDF saved and opened in Adobe Acrobat. That's it! Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech videos.